Welcome to Essential Partners and your portal to a healthier lifestyle through the use of doTERRA essential oils. Our oils are 100% certified pure therapeutic grade. In nature, the oil regulates the plant's health, builds up its immune system, and wards off any threats to its vitality. Imagine what they could do for you. Through proper nutrition, sleep and relaxation, managing stress, and regular physical activity, we too can keep ourselves in balance. Few are perfect in those goals. I know I'm not. So it's nice to know that through the use of doTERRA essential oils, our bodies can operate at their best efficiency and wellness overall. Let us know if you want to learn more. We are always teaching a class somewhere. Or we can set one up online. Education is the key. Thank you for joining us today.